spectral lines produced. We call them the Balmer series after the fellow who first worked with them. And they are any transition to 2. But there's also transitions to the ground state, very energetic, large transitions. They give you UV spectrum. And then there's smaller transitions, weaker in energy, to the infrared. And so elements like iron have 54,000 spectral lines that can be clearly identified and studied. Hydrogen just has a couple dozen. But as far as you're concerned, though, what you need to remember is that any down transition will emit energy equal to the energy of the photon that is released. So the change in the energy levels and the photon energy are equal, so you can find the frequency or the wavelength. Be prepared for working in joules or eV. And that's just the constant that you pick, right? And then we finished with the quantum atom. We looked at models of atomic structure. We realized that the Bohr atom, as good as it was for hydrogen, was deficient in many ways. So we had to roll in the de Broglie wavelength notion, because electrons don't move in tiny little circles, they move in standing waves. And it's totally random where that electron will be. It's based on probability. But when you fit an exact number of standing waves around an atom, then that means that's a good orbit. That's an allowed orbit, right? And if you go to a different orbit, then you have to have another condition of allowed standing waves. I don't know that you'll see any questions on this. I think it's a long shot, but just in case, 2 pi r equals to n lambda. Those of you that go on to college and university and study physics, past first year, you'll probably be exposed to this theory again in much more detail. So if you become a physics student, per se, you might get a good shot at that. So there it is. That's what we did together in chapter 15. So hopefully you're feeling the love for models of the atom. By the way, science is continuing to push back these frontiers, right? This isn't a dead science by any means. It's ongoing. People are discovering new little nuances and intricacies to make the theory stronger and clear, right? And so, yeah. Okay.